Pin printing with HP PageWide XL printer series. In this video, I'll take a look at pin printing with HP PageWide XL. Pin printing allows jobs to be conveniently stored and then printed on demand. It also provides features for setting print jobs as private by using a 4-digit personal identification, or PIN. The jobs can be released from the printer via the front panel. Let's configure the pin printing option. To do this, I click on Properties and the Storage tab. Within the Job Storage tab, there are various options to choose from. Let's take a moment to go through them. Print and store. After a job has been printed, it's stored in the printer. I can then print additional copies from the front panel if I wish. Print and delete. After I print a job, it's automatically removed from the printer's memory. This option offers peace of mind, knowing that any sensitive documents I've printed cannot be accessed by other people. And there's pin printing, which is the focus of this video. There are two options we can use with this function: private and personal job. A personal job is stored on the printer, but it's not printed until I request it at the front panel using Retrieve. After the job's printed, it's automatically removed from the printer's job storage memory. I can also retrieve the printout from the front panel by using the private printing feature and enter the 4-digit PIN and clicking Retrieve. The PIN is sent to the printer as part of the print job. After sending the print job, use the PIN to print the job. Once printed, that job is automatically removed from the printer's memory. Now that I've set up pin printing, I can be sure my printouts will be securely held in the printer until I'm ready to retrieve them.